Okay. I'll show how to finish 5 if you're wondering. So, looking back at Autodesk, I tried to fillet the wrong part. So, this is what we'd do. All right. And the way I rotated this, you can always use your view cube, kind of drag it around. But with a mouse, I really encourage you using mouse. I use the shift key and I click the mouse wheel. You don't roll the mouse wheel. You literally press it down, you click it. All right. And it lets you do this kind of thing. All right. So, what I need to do is go fillet, which is this right here. And what I really need is that edge. All right. We need this edge here. And then I'm going to rotate views here. I need this edge here. And you can always zoom in if you're not sure which edge you're picking, and then this edge here. And it's supposed to be a 5mm fillet. So it's actually going to add material, is how that's going to work. So once I do this, I click OK. All right, good. And let's go back to the directions. Add a 5mm by 30-degree chamfer to the bottom of the cylinder. Okay, so I need to look at the bottom of the cylinder now. So I'm going to use my view cube to rotate. All right, zoom out. And we need that chamfer. All right, so chamfer, it's been a little bit since I've done this. It's probably deeper in this modify. There we go, right there. All right, so I got chamfer. And I should be able to, I'm going to look a little at an angle, just kind of click that, and it'll select the whole edge, all right? So I did that. And they want a 5mm chamfer, I believe. And let's see the other detail, by 30-degree. Okay, so we got to find somewhere with 30 degrees. I'm imagining it's this chamfer type. Let's see what happens here. Well, no, it says, oh yeah, distance and angle. So that's what we want to pick. All right, so we're going to say 30-degree angle. All right, so we'll click OK. Let's make sure it looks like what they were showing. Yeah, 30 degrees, and it's the 5mm. I think that's about right. Although, to me, actually, it looks like it did 30 degrees the opposite direction. So this is a good example of how we edit a feature. If you make a mistake, all right, you don't have to completely undo it. What we can do is find that feature. All right, and let's see. Now I'm going to have trouble finding it, aren't I? Let me pause for a sec. Okay, I found what I needed to find. Yeah, you can just double click right on this thing, all right, in your timeline. Then it'll let you edit it. So we want, instead of a 30-degree, we probably want a 60-degree. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that looks a little closer. But something is a little strange about this. Seems like we've followed the directions. All right, add a 5mm by 30-degree chamfer to the bottom of the cylinder. All right, so yeah, it's 5mm. Let me try putting 30 again. Okay, I guess it might just look a little different from there. So let's click OK. That must be right. All right, so come back here, save your design. All right, so we have gotten this thing completed. Let's take a look at it, get a nice view. Ooh, looks good. Compare it to their drawing. Nice. Okay, so yeah, finish the view, like to get the home view correct. All right, so it doesn't look like this. I'll show you how to adjust that. All right, stop the video here if you're happy with what it is. All right, if you want to learn how to adjust the view, keep watching. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna find the place that we want to be our, let's say, front view. Okay, so that's gonna be not that. Let me do this. Let's call this a front view. All right, so I'm gonna go down here and set current view as front. All right, let's check the top now. Good, that's the top. Okay, and so this is oriented better now. And then the other thing we want to fix is we want to make our home view be this. Okay, because if I click that right now, it's going to go to a weird view. All right, that's what it's going to. So let me get back to it. We want that to be our home view. All right, top, front, right. All right, so we're gonna I did the drop down, and we're gonna do a fit to view, and click that. And now, if we get anywhere weird with it, if we click home, it should take us right to that view. There you go.